Okay, let's go to Shasrilinga now from here. Okay then. Okay friends, this is Yellapur here, Yellapur bus stand, and the city is the other side. So I'll take the right from there, from here, this side, and 55 kilometers away from here, Shasrilinga. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, I am here finally now. It's a main road, Shasrilinga. It's here now. It here means this way. It's 1.5 kilometer away from here now. And this is the road goes there. And this is the road from Yellapur, from where I have come now. And this is the what they have there. I don't know what to read here. Kannada. Okay. Hi guys, this is Subhash here. And you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber here. So today I'm at Shasrilinga. I reached already. And this is the parking area of this. Lot of people gathered here. I have to go inside. So I'll show you this place here. There's a lots of links here. Shiv links in the water, and the flyover bridge also is there. What happens here? It's only BSNL and Airtel SIM card works here. Not other SIM doesn't work here. And they charge 40 rupees for car and 10 rupees for bike here. So I'll shoot this place here. If you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. And I have to capture more. From here I'll go to Joke Fall now. Okay then, let's go. You see guys, lots of links here, and even the people build here. I don't know much history about this. If anybody interested, he can check on Google. Maybe lot of history here, lots of stones they have. And the people also do some links here, making their own links here and worship the Lord here. Shiva Lord is still from there. It's a total links here. See? Okay, I'll go and check other side. Okay, I'll go and check other side here. See guys, lots of links they have built here. People come and build links here and they pray, I think so. I don't know much more about this place. All the stones are different type of stones here. You see? Even the big links are here. I'm not going in water or something because I have to take care of myself. I am just alone, so I have to take care of myself. That's why. Okay, I'll just put my feet in the water. I'll not take my phone or camera into water because if they fallen down, you won't be able to see this. Okay, I'll just go other side there. All right. You can see all the links from here. You see all those links here. Those are the links of Lord Shiva. Yeah guys, that was a Shastri Ling here. This place, you have to climb up the steps and climbing now. Let's go to the bridge there. It's a bridge there, one more. I'm not going to the water because I have to think about my safety as well. I'm alone here, 200 kilometers away. Okay, let's go there now. Okay, let's go to the bridge. There's the one more bridge there. You can have a view from up. So let's see what we can see from there. I have not gone inside because of some safety. I have to think about myself. I'm alone here. So this is the bridge, guys. It's called Shastri Linga in Sirsi area. So welcome to Shastri Linga here. Okay. On the other side of the bridge they have road here. I don't know which road they have connected here. Even let's go here and check what we can see here. Okay. I guess the people come with some puja items here and they pray here and make links here. I saw one person here. He was worshipping there. You see, yeah, that's the link there. So Nandi over here. I was other side there before. Now the wall stones has a different kind of shape here. Lot of people coming here. They said me like that, and they open at 5-6 in the morning and 7 in the evening till the dark gets. You see here, that's the Nandi here, and this I don't know what they call. Yeah, this is what they have here. This river must be getting very full when rainy season. I can see the marks here. It's all from water is coming from there itself, I think. Okay, a lot of people have made this place holy place. Okay friends, that was Shastri Linga in the Sirsi area here, around 200 kilometers distance from Madgaon city here till my home. Okay, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. From here, now I'm going to Jogfall. From here, it's around 80 kilometers something away from here. Let's see, it's almost 3 o'clock now, 3:15 something. I'll see how long it takes to reach there and cover there. Okay, then this will be done in next video guys. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.